Today is all about testing our beta and RC pre-production vehicles. We're checking wind noise, we're checking steering, braking, handling, road noise, drivetrain noise, just to check the overall refinement of the vehicle. And we're doing that against our current market benchmarks to make sure that we're making the kind of progress we need with the vehicle.
It's nice to know where we rank against the competitor and give ourselves a really honest assessment of ourselves, particularly since we're this close to production, going for the platinum experience.
When you're working through launch mode and you're looking at 1,000,001 different items that need a little bit of tweaking, or some are ready, some need a little bit more work, you sometimes lose the overview of where you actually are. So these ride and drives bring a great calibration because you drive the car with all your senses and you can feel how mature it is.
Today was a really good day. There's some areas right now where we're really shining and things are looking really good, and hopefully it's a benchmark for our benchmarks. And then there's some other areas where we still have some work to do.
What really kind of surprised me was just how quiet the cabin is. It is the quietest vehicle I've been in. There's no road noise. There's no sound of the passing traffic. I mean, it is like a vault in the vehicle, which has been fantastic.
The braking performance on the Lucid Air is terrific. Very linear, very controllable, very predictable. The steering on center field is perfect. The acceleration is mind-blowing. It just flattens your eyeballs.
It's a real driving machine. And it's going to do awesome on the Autobahn. I can't wait to drive it there.
It's fast as hell.